You're probably wondering, where is this stupid looking guy heading? I'm heading to the store to buy some spray paint to spray paint this beauty all white. So I'm making my way there and I finally make it and I start walking in feeling anxious as hell because I suffer from social anxiety. This is my life, okay? I didn't pick it, I didn't want it, this is how it is. Finally, I spot the store, which is literally right where I cut off the camera to switch the angle around, because I am an idiot. I didn't realize that you could flip the camera around. But that's how it is. So now I'm making my way there, don't mind the heavy breathing, I am extremely anxious, and also I think I'm fat. Tee. So I keep walking, stressing, as you can see, it's very apparent. I have never seen myself this stressed. I've actually never seen myself in general. So I make my way to the really nice clerk, and I think she spots me.
Hello.
And I say hi. And she says that I want the spray. But I start spraying it. I'm doing a really good job. And, you know, that's not actually how it happened. I fumbled with the spray for a long time, not realizing it had a damn tab on the inside that you had to remove. So I did that, and then I obviously started spraying it some more. Did I mention this is a DIY project? Oh yeah, it's a DIY project. There you go. Me doing DIY things. And it cool. Look at me spray. Look at me go. You go, girl. Doing an amazing job, I think. I was very happy with the results, which is coming soon in about a few seconds. Should be half a minute to a minute, maybe. I'm currently looking at the timeline as I'm recording this. I'm an idiot. I'm not doing a double take voiceover. It's just gonna be like this the whole video, and you're gonna have to suffer through it with me. So if there's any mistakes, this is how it is. And I think it's funny. I think you guys will enjoy it. I definitely am. This is fun. Look at me go, still spray painting. You know, I could have cut all this out, most of this. I didn't have to include all of it, but I did. Which is, hooray. Also, clean your damn background. Look at that. It's trash. Exercise ball. Is that a light? I think it's a light. But, like, this is what it looked like before, like I showed you earlier, because... Oh, shut up. I'm getting messages. Okay, but anyways, this is how it looks like now. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. It is so cool looking. I'm very happy with it. I hope you liked my video. Bye!